Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to revise the topic that is land and people of northern India. Tropic of Cancer divides India into northern and southern India. The three major geographical regions of northern India are the Great Himalayan mountain range, the northern plains, and the Great Desert of India. The Great Himalayan mountain range has three parallel ranges, that is Himadri or the Greater Himalayas, Himachal or the Middle Himalayas, and Shivalik as the Outer Himalayas. The Himalayas protect us from the enemies and bitter cold winds. It form a natural border and help the wind to shed the rainfall. It also provides water to river throughout the year. The northern plains are formed by the sediments brought by Himalayan river. The soil in the northern plain is very fertile. The desert region covers much of the state of Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat. Himadri, Shivalik and Himachal are the part of Himalayas. Great Desert of India is also called the Great Thar Desert of India. The northern plains are called food bowl of India because they are the major producer of wheat and rice. Outermost Himalayas are also called Shivalik range. Tropic of Cancer divides India into northern and southern regions. There are three parallel ranges in Himalayas. The lowest range of Himalayas is Shivalik. The plain formed by the soil left by the river is called alluvial plain. The Thar desert covers mostly the state of Rajasthan. The Himadri has a number of highest peaks in it. The world's tallest mountain peak, Mount Everest, lies in Himalayas. The Himalayas form an artificial border between India and China. The northern plains are the largest alluvial plains in the world. The desert region is a very less populated region. The world's tallest mountain peak is Mount Everest. Himadri is the southernmost range of Himalayas. No, it is the northernmost range of the Himalayas. Major geographical regions of northern India are the Great Himalayas, the northern plains and the desert region. Now the desert region, the Thar desert, also called the Great Indian Desert or Indian Desert, it lies in the western part of North India. It covers much of the states of Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat. It has sandy soil and low rainfall, due to which it is very less vegetation. Main occupation there is dairy farming and poultry. Few people live in this area. The region is quite popular for its art and architecture, and we can see the magnificent forts and palaces there. Now the northern plains, these plains are built by the sediments brought by the Himalayan rivers. These plains lie between the Himalayas and the southern peninsula. The region is very fertile, alluvial soil, which is extremely good for growing crops. The northern plains are the largest alluvial plains in the world. They include valleys of Brahmaputra, Ganga, Indus River and their tributaries. The region is thickly populated. Their main occupation is agriculture. Important cereals growing states are Punjab and Haryana, so called food bowl of India. Importance of Himalayan ranges: it prevents the entry of bitterly cold northerly winds. Its snow-covered peak provide water to rivers throughout the year. Himalayan rivers also offer many sites for building dams. It protects our northern border against enemies. It forms a natural border between India and China. It has number of hill stations which are located in the Himalayan region, which attract millions of tourists every year. Thank you, everyone.